Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to change app icons on iPhone. So for this, I go to the browser and I pick an icon. Here, let's say Instagram icon on iOS, yeah. I click download. PNG file, click download. It shows up in your downloads and you just save it. Here you need to click share and there'll be save to gallery. Now go to shortcuts, click plus, then click the three dots and rename it to Instagram. Or Insta, let's say. Now click open app, select the Instagram app. Yeah, this is for Insta specifically, but you can do this for any app. So now click add to home screen. Select image, choose photo, pick the photo from gallery that we just downloaded and click add. And now when we open it, Instagram opens up. This was Valor. See you all later.